Hello, fellow humans. If you are still using a Google Pixel 1, first of all, you're pretty awesome, and second of all, you might have come across a bug which basically makes the device not rotate. And yeah, that's a pretty annoying bug. And you can check for yourself if your device is affected by this by going into your browser and visiting the site. It's called spiritlevel.app. And what it does, it is basically shows the data from your gyro sensor and yeah, checks if it works. If you start moving your phone around, as you can see, yeah, in this case, everything just works like normal, and that's great. But on some Pixels and Pixel 1 XLs, there is this super annoying bug where basically the gyro sensor stops working. And if we go in here, you can see nothing is moving anymore. And if I put the phone in landscape mode, yeah, the screen doesn't rotate, obviously, because the gyro sensor, as you see, reports wrong values. But luckily for you, this isn't a hardware issue, and you can fix it pretty easily. And what you have to do for this is go into your Google app, scroll up, long press the Google icon up here. Here we go. Go into App Info. Scroll, go into Permissions, and look for the physical activity permission. Go in here, click on Deny, and now you can reboot your phone. Here we go. Click Restart. Now it's just rebooting, and after that, this issue should be fixed. And also, I've noticed on my Pixel 1, which had the same issue, that the battery life, especially in standby, also improved quite noticeable. Because previously I was losing like 50% overnight with this phone. Now granted, the battery on this is probably pretty much toast at this point, but it improved still to the point where I only lose about 20% overnight now, which still isn't great, but it is what it is. In the meantime, the Pixel 2 XL, the Pixel 1 XL rebooted. And if we now check the Level app, let's let it load it up. It's also a progressive web app, which is pretty cool if you're into web development. Here we go. As you can see, now it's also working fine here on the Pixel 2. Also, if you go into the camera, because that would previously trigger this bug sometimes, exit the camera and open it again. It's still working just fine. So yeah, your issue should be fixed now, and you can happily continue using this awesome phone. That's it. Bye.